Good morning, evening, and night, everybody. My name is Winterrey. Ooh. And we're playing The Watcher. Oh boy, I forgot that it's going to be all gross and creepy. And he just got freaking chomped. Oh! And I got chomped. I have the flu. So my voice is going to be a little bit different. I have a temperature of 102. But that doesn't matter. Because we're balling today. If that means anything. I think I'm going to go to the farmeries to try and... I couldn't do anything about that. Oh, look, take it. No. What? I gave you the... Really? Oh, okay. This is when we go invisible. Are you... Really? What? What was that noise? No. You can't hit me with the evil demon laugh. Why did it go while I'm gonna kill it? Oh, I didn't mean it. No, that wasn't me, actually. What is that? Oh my god. Excuse me? Where did that spear go? Excuse... Oh. Ew, that's really gross. Those are covered in dripping mold. I gotta try it. Okay. It didn't harm me. Never mind, it did. Okay, we're fine. Let's not eat any more of those. I'm sure that didn't, I'm sure that wasn't a good idea, to be honest. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, no, that's cool. I thought this game was gonna be all cute and peaceful. No, you don't want me. Why would you ever want me? I'm just a... Can I put this in my mouth? Okay, I ate it, but I didn't really want to do that. I guess I did technically put it in my mouth, but I did it in the way that I didn't exactly want to, but that's okay. Are those trees new? They look new. I love what you've done with the place. Except not really. Oh, hang on. What was that? Why did the whole screen shake? Hey, you want to come here? Uh-oh. Oh, that's bad. Shh. I didn't want to do that. That's bad. That's real bad. You don't want to hit those guys for various reasons. Are the bat flies bigger? Ugh. Be scared. Okay. Now I'm going to wait here. Actually, I'm going to go invisible. Because I have that. I forget that you can do that. That's a thing. Unless he just camps the, Ew, you look really rotten. Oh. No? Maybe I haven't paid enough attention, but do I look brighter? I look more like the night sky now. Interesting. I don't remember that. No, really? That was just uncorrupted. Are these fine? Am I gonna get... Okay. Fine. Oh, it's throbbing. That is so gross. That is really disgusting. That is. But you know what? We're not going to worry about that. We are not worrying about that. These trees are new. You can't tell me they aren't. Unless you gaslit me really hard. Which is very possible with me. But hey, I'm only the watcher. So what are we going to talk about this time, my boy? Hopefully not my my nutrients that I leave behind, or breaking my sticks, because that's really just not something I want to talk about as an icebreaker. You know, it's not a good icebreaker, to be honest. Oh, wow, no. Is it this thing? Have you really not been eaten? Well, well, well. Not in this strand, no. Huh? But don't be too proud. Wow, no. I can see your reflections. Yes. Behold, chomped by a flying thing. Huh? Torn to ribbons by a crawling thing. That's just called my mom. Pulled into the earth by wiggling things. I hate those things. Meow, 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 meow. I like your little bulbous head. A world of teeth and claws and beaks and pressures and acids. Yeah, it's a tough one out there. Living in the business world. Forever, where, and forever when. What did you just... Hang on. You just egg me? Ooh. Ooh. What is that? What is that? You can't... No. No, what is that? That's not a new... That's not a caramel symbol. Oh! Okay. Oof. Coral caves? Already love this. Where am I? Oh my god. This is gorgeous. What? So it's just a whole new map? And here I'm like, nah, it's not gonna make a new map. That'd be silly. Of course, this is why I hate that map. The mod that lets the side-scrolling mod is super handy to tell when something will kill you. Unlike this base game where it's like, is this a cliff?
Not telling.
Like, so that's a cliff. Doesn't no indication that it's a cliff. Can I grab my... Good, my karma flower's down there. Okay. Interesting. Well, new area, so I'm excited about that. You know what this place reminds me of? Okay. Why is there a bird in the coral caves? In the coral lands. Coral highlands. Hello, what you doing? I need these berries real quick. You just chill up there. I told you no, you weren't supposed to do that. Because I need you still. There's still scary birds out here. Ugh. I hear you. I hear you up there. It's not gonna let me. Oh my god. Okay. Oh. Oh, and he's gone. Oh, but I can jump through that. Okay. Okay. We're doing it. We're in the coral caves. This place is kind of spooky in a way. It's like an old abandoned, I don't know, underwater place. Hi, are we chill? Diddly-dee, I'm gonna get ya. I don't know if we're chill or not. Sup, Jabroski. I'm gonna go this way, if you don't mind. Oh. Get the hell out of here. What is that? Oh, okay. You scared me. I thought you were like a jellyfish. No! What? My bad. Should have been more skilled about that situation. Okay, whoa, hang on. What was that? Excuse me? What are those? My items dropped. What? Oh, okay. Why can't I walk past you? Ow. Oh. Okay. What is that? What is it doing? Is it just paralyzing me? What? What am I supposed to do about that? What? Excuse me? They're just bullying him. At least he can squeeze through them. I can't even do that. Okay. Okay. No. No. Why? Oh. 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 Oh, he saved me. Thank you, lizard. Thank you, Hive. Can you climb? They can't climb. I forgot about that one. No, Hive, we are home. What is that little thing? Aw. It's like an anemone. Can you let me past? Can you? Anemone? Can you let me past? Oh, cool. It's a dead end. I just killed an enemy for nothing. Never mind, he's alive. They are stupid. What is that? What is that noise? Is that a massive jellyfish? Is that a... It just made a noise. The jellyfish made a sound, guys. That's not really cool. I hate this non-side-scrolling mod. Ooh, okay. Could you please... Thank you. Layout on the game is a little bit annoying, but that's okay. Going invisible because I hate these guys. And then I'll try this way. And there better not be another jellyfish. I see. Oh. No. So. Nope. Stop. Okay. They really need to give a raise to the... Wait, I've been here before. Ugh. You're joking me. Oh. No. Thank you, wall, for blocking my jump escape. Oh my god, you guys are lightning fast. Let's not do that. How am I supposed to get up there? No, you have to tell me how I'm supposed to get up there. Because I can't get up there. Oh. Of course. Yeah, let me just hop into the next dimension real quick. If you don't mind me. I'm ready. Well, that is happening. So I was supposed to go here. Woo, let's go. Let's do it. Woo. Oh, I have to keep breaking it. Of course. Hey, goosh. Hey, goosh. Oh, it just does it naturally. What does that mean? Should I not let it do that? I'm gonna let it do that. Habloofk! Wow. Okay, so just the creature thing was just like, hey, want to see my coral land? It's pretty nice. Torrential railways. Fabulous. What is the story behind this? Wow, this is kind of cool. I would love to know the story behind all of this. I don't understand why something is just so godlike, but it decides to mess with a slug cat. And like, what time frame is this? What am I observing? What have I been observing? Can you guys pop already? No, you're just gonna... Idiot. Feels kind of like a... I don't know. Like the box of one of the observers. Not the observers. Operators. Robots. The word I'm trying to think of. Oh, okay. Guess we won't be going that way. Is this like an overseer? Is that what they're called? cannot remember their names. Overseer box. Am I going to meet 13 biscuits devoured gently? 13 Popeyes biscuits devoured gently? Okay. Don't want to be that way. No, this is just a box. This is nice. Alright, I figure it's time to break the crack. And go back. Remember to give your friends crack. And heroin. If you ever watch my Fear and Hunger videos, you know what I'm talking about. But don't. Actually. Ooh. Where are we? Oh, I took him with me. Haha. The aerial tramway. That's what I was going to say. You know? I was literally about to say, this looks like an aerial tramway. Can I walk across that? Oh! Okay. Except, you know what? I don't like aerial. Because that means many places to fall. Okay, you need to start flying. Because you're pissing me off. Oh. Andy's dead. Oh! Ugh, I almost just died. Jesus. Jesus. If I die, is it gonna... Oh. I'm not sure I like this place. This place kind of scares me. To be honest. Why is it all dark and gray? Why is the tramway so gray? I hate this game. Oh! Aerial tramway seems a little cold. What are you doing?
Plug.
Get out of here. That's what I thought. Can I go down here? That scared me. It took a second to process that. That made me nervous. Okay. Are we in one of Moon's places? I don't know. I don't... Stick it into the wall. Why would you stick it? I would like to stab whoever invented this place. Okay. Guess I could do that, but... Still. I'd like to send a complaint. No, whoever built this place in general. I hope they take into the back rooms and execute them via a firing squad, because this level design is monstrous. I can't... Which direction do you... There's... Ooh. Okay, almost just killed myself. What is that? Oh, you're so pretty. Is that a moth? Oh my god, that's really pretty. Hi. Please tell me you're... Are you... Are you hostile? Are you hostile, young love? What's up, love? You want to give me kisses? You don't seem that hostile. You're really beautiful, actually. Hey, girl. Can I get your number? What direction am I supposed to go? Up? No, couldn't be up. I can't go that way. Oh, cool. There's wind. There's an updraft. Oh, boy. Oh, it's very strong. Okay. That's a fun mechanic. For about 5 seconds. Until the wind goes away. Does it go away? Okay. Da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Yeah, this is a good stance. Okay, so crawling. Okay. Okay, so is there protection against the wind? Seems sort of so. Nope. Is that just death? I don't... Hello. What's up? Wait. Can I grab you? Can I... What's up? Okay, so I can't grab you. That's fine. I don't want to do that anyway. Okay. So does the wind stop? Because if it doesn't, I literally can't do anything. These mods are the only thing making me like this place. No! Okay. Okay. Wind levels are supposed to be fun. When... Oh my god. When the wind, like... Jump. This is just... hell. Oh my god. This better be like near the end. Because that is no way you put a difficult jump there. Okay. Oh, I guess the wind isn't as strong over here. Naturally. You kidding me? No. Does that wind... Didn't even need it that time. Okay, so the wind picks up there. The higher I am, the harder it If there's wind pressure here, I lose. Okay. Oh my god. There's more. Okay. It's mostly floor. I knew I wasn't going to like this place. It's getting a 0.5 star. 0 even. Yes, I'm sleeping. Black deck. The blast deck. The blast deck, really? I love a good blast deck. I'm going to end it here. I am done. And I feel like garbage at the moment. I feel like the garbage wastes. So, I hope you have a good one. Am I on a ship? I feel like I'm on a pirate ship or something. I hope you have a good night. I hope you have a good evening. But if it's daytime, I hope you meet a sweet mother mama. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm on so much pain meds.